It is 4:56 p.m. Friday, March 3rd, 2023. We're looking west down the Burlington Road and Santa Fe Railway Chicago subdivision at the Metra Amtrak LaGrange Road station, LaGrange, Illinois. That's Metra westbound train 1255 departing, heading for Fairview Avenue Downers Grove. Runs the express from Chicago Union Station to Congress Park, the next stop east of here, the other direction, and then all stops to Downers Grove, Fairview Avenue, including this stop of LaGrange Road, LaGrange, Illinois. And the forecast was for 6 to 10 inches of snow here this afternoon. All we got was a mixture of rain and snow. LaGrange, Illinois, Burlington Northern Santa Fe Railway, Metra Amtrak LaGrange Road Station, LaGrange, Illinois, over and out.